Hi there, my bright friends. It's me, Sunny, your learning buddy. Today, we're going to count together. Let's see how many things we can count. Are you ready? Let's shine and learn. Let's start by counting to 5. I can use my rays to help us. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Wow, great job! You just counted to 5. Let's say them together again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing! Let's count something fun now. Look at these balloons. Here's one balloon. What color is it? Yes, it's red. Now there are 2 balloons. 1, 2, and this one is blue. Now we have 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. This one is yellow. Now we have 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is green. And finally, we have 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is purple. Wow! Look at all those colourful balloons. Let's count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting, my friends. Now, let's try something extra fun. We're going to add 2 numbers together. Don't worry, it's easy. Let's start with 2. See, I have 2 rays lit up. Now let's add 3 more rays. Now I have 2 and 3 more. How many rays are glowing now? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Adding numbers together is like putting them in a group. We added 2 and 3 to make 5. You're doing amazing. Are you ready for a counting challenge? Look at the sky. I see some stars twinkling up there. Let's count them. 1 star. Now we have 2 stars. 1, 2. Now we have 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Now we have 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 5 stars in the sky. Can you count them with me again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. Wow, we had so much fun counting today. We counted balloons, stars, and even learned how to add. You're getting so good at this. Remember, you can count things all around you. How many toys do you have? How many books? Counting is so much fun. Thanks for learning with me today. Until next time, friends, keep shining bright just like me, Sunny. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe for more fun learning with Sunny, your learning buddy.